What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building, baby. We're here in the garage doing a product review and I would say kind of like installation as well of the company Let's Roll. Thank you guys for sponsoring the channel. You guys are great. I can't wait to show you guys how to use this. It's a very, very simple process to use. I'm gonna use it right here on my 2022 Street Light Standard. And these are the products right here, looking real good and ready to go. So let's get straight to the install on how to use this product. Check it out. All right, guys, first thing we're gonna do is slide it always on the right side of the bike. It's the best thing to do so you guys can see what's going on underneath. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. All you gotta do is center it right in the middle. All right? Because that's where your bike is gonna, the lid is gonna go underneath it. So we're gonna use the socket right here. Make sure you turn it right side and pump it up. Don't worry about the bike, it's not gonna tilt over. All you gotta do is just pump it up. There you go. And it's gonna straighten out by itself. So we're gonna get it just high enough so you guys can slide the dolly right underneath it. I'm gonna show you guys underneath the bike so you guys can see how it holds up. It's got real nice rubbers on top of it right there, so the bike will move around. Really, really nice. It will not move at all. So, great job, Let's Roll. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to maneuver the cruiser on this 2022 Street Light Standard. I have a 2-car garage, it's pretty good. Really big. Floor has a few cracks here and there, but you know, nothing major. But this thing moves around very, very, very simple. Look at this. We're gonna just turn this puppy around. One hand, guys. No problem at all. Like, let's say if you guys put it up in a dolly and you guys want to park the bike. So we gotta push it forward. Let's turn this puppy around, and then we're gonna put this on the side of the garage here. Check it out. There you go, and it's done. Well, obviously you gotta put the lock on it so you guys can make sure that it's not gonna roll anywhere, especially if you have a hill in the way. Ready to ride? You just turn this bad boy. Very simple. I have all the room in the world here, so this is a very simple to maneuver, see? All right, and to show you how sturdy it is, guys, look at this thing. I'm gonna park it right here. I'm gonna put the lock on. One lock over here, and the other lock over there. So what's gonna happen is that we're gonna jump on this bike to show you how sturdy it is with no problem. Check this out. No problem. You guys can maneuver it around and also stimulate, like if you're riding, put your kid on here and he could ride like this. All right, so let's hop off this puppy. All right, another thing that's pretty good as well is that you could actually wash your bike on this, get in between here with the rim with no problem. You could clean it very well. And I'm gonna show you another thing, oil changes. Oil changes, it's a really big deal because now I usually do my own oil changes. But look at this, guys. Under here is where the oil pan goes. And look at this, fits right underneath it with no problem. You guys can do the oil changes and you're good to go. All right, when you're done, you take it out put it away. All right, so let's take down the bike. I'm gonna show you how. All right, we're gonna put this back in here. And leave it right there. Slide this bad boy. We're gonna roll this puppy down. A lot of people, they think the bike is gonna tilt over. So I get it, you know what I'm saying? This has, it will lean over once you bring it down. Some people hold it from here, some people hold it from here, or the handlebars. But in this case with Let's Roll, you have no problem with it. You just go nice and smooth and the bike will just go down. All right guys, so we just finished the Dolly right now. It's a great product. Thank you Let's Roll for sponsoring the channel. It was a great product. And I believe in it and it's definitely worth it. So I'm gonna leave here a link so you guys can help out the channel if you guys wanna purchase it, and also on the description below. All right guys, like I said, thank you Let's Roll. I hope you guys all buy it. It's a great product, all right? Thank you guys. Like, subscribe, comment below, and let me know what you think about Let's Roll. Peace out.